Video is titled Making Money on Mercari, and on this video I'm going to show you not my account but more so messages from Mercari and the 2 sales I made and what you can and cannot do on there. So basically I'm giving you a new website to try and test your products. Now, as a heads up, if you are a drop shipper or ship from AliExpress, this is not the website for you. If you're an eBay seller, possibly, depending how fast you're shipping. But I say if you can't get the item to the customer within 10 to 20 days, then I wouldn't really take that risk. They're real strict on the policy. If you're an Amazon seller, definitely check it out. You'll make a shit ton of money. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So, as you can see, my account was canceled by Mercari, and one of the winning items that I tested on here was canceled because they found out that I was drop shipping this from AliExpress, which I was, but it's all good. Not losing no sleep or nothing, just want to test it out. But let me zoom in a little, let that focus. And as you can see right here, this, make sure you see my mouse moving, it says, I don't know if you can read that, but the product is basically a woman's shoulder blouse. It was purchased, and let's open this up. So, as you can see, as more proof, congratulations. That's my company name. You made a sale. Here's what to do next. Ship the item within 3 days with a valid tracking number. Please package the item nicely and confirm shipping in the app, which I did do, but like I said, my account got deleted. But if you're wondering how much I made in total before my account got erased, I made about $60 off the items, but I can't get it because my account's closed. But this is just a quick video following up the other video. I know if you read the description in the last video I posted, I apologize for what happened at the 2-minute mark. I had a woman over and she left her clothes on the fan, whatnot. But that's neither here nor there. If you want to see more fire videos just like this on how you too can make money online, then hit that like button. And I say about you get us 10 to 50 likes for an updated video, or I'll show you some cool software that I've been testing that'll definitely help you out. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget